The term black panther can refer to two different types of big cats, the melanistic jaguar and the melanistic leopard. Both of these animals are not separate species but rather variations of their respective species with a genetic condition called melanism. Melanistic jaguars, scientific name, Panther onca, have a black or very dark brown coat due to an excess of dark pigment melanin in their fur. While their spots are still present, they are often hard to distinguish against their dark background. Jaguars are the third largest big cats in the world. After tigers and lions, they can weigh between 100 to 250 pounds, equivalent to 45 to 113 kilograms, and measure up to 6.1 feet, equivalent to 1.85 meters in length, excluding their tail. Historically, jaguars were found in a variety of habitats across the Americas, from the southwestern United States to South America. However, their range has significantly decreased due to habitat loss and hunting. Jaguars are typically found in tropical rainforests, swamps, grasslands, and forests near water sources. They are solitary and elusive animals, known for their strength and stealth. Jaguars are excellent swimmers and climbers and are known to hunt a wide range of prey, including deer, peccaries, and even caimans. Jaguars are classified as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). They face threats from habitat destruction, poaching, and conflicts with humans. Melanistic leopards, scientific name, Pantheropardus, often referred to as black panthers, have a coat that is uniformly black due to melanism. They may still have faint spots that are visible in certain lighting conditions. Leopards are smaller than jaguars, with males weighing between 90 to 190 pounds, equivalent to 41 to 86 kilograms, and females being smaller. They can measure up to 6.2 feet, equivalent to 1.9 meters in length, excluding their tail. Leopards are incredibly adaptable and have a wide distribution across Africa and parts of Asia. They inhabit a variety of habitats, including savannas, forests, mountains, and deserts. Leopards are solitary and are known for their ability to adapt to different environments. They are strong climbers and often store their kills in trees to avoid scavengers. Leopards are listed as vulnerable by the IUCN. They face threats from habitat loss, poaching for their fur and body parts, and conflict with humans. Both melanistic jaguars and melanistic leopards are relatively rare in the wild, making them intriguing and elusive members of the big cat family. Their dark coloration provides them with a unique and striking appearance, but it also makes them more challenging to spot in their natural habitats. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these magnificent animals and their ecosystems. A tapir is a large, herbivorous mammal found in Central and South America, as well as parts of Southeast Asia. There are 4 recognized species of tapirs. Baird's tapir Topurus bairdi, found in Central America, particularly in countries like Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. It is the largest of the tapir species. South American tapir Topurus terrestris. This tapir is found in South America, including regions like the Amazon rainforest and the Andes Mountains. It is also known as the Brazilian tapir. Malayan tapir Topurus indicus, native to Southeast Asia. The Malayan tapir is known for its distinctive black and white coloration. It is found in countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and Myanmar. Mountain tapir Topurus pinchake. This species inhabits the high-altitude regions of the Andes Mountains in South America, primarily in Colombia, Ecuador, and northern Peru. It is the smallest of the tapirs. Tapirs are characterized by their barrel-shaped bodies, short legs, and a distinctive snout-like proboscis. This proboscis is actually an elongated upper lip and nose that they use to grasp leaves, fruit, and other vegetation. Tapirs are excellent swimmers and are often found near water sources. They are primarily nocturnal and solitary animals. Tapirs are considered vulnerable or endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these unique and ancient animals. The Victoria crown pigeon, scientifically known as Gura victoria, is a strikingly beautiful and large species of pigeon native to Papua New Guinea. It is known for its distinctive appearance and unique crown of feathers on its head, which resembles a royal crown, hence its name. Victoria crown pigeons are among the largest pigeon species in the world. They can grow to be about 73 to 75 centimeters, 29 to 30 inches in length, and can weigh between 2.0 to 3.5 kilograms for 0.9 to 7.7 pounds. These pigeons have a blue-gray plumage, with a pale blue-gray head adorned with intricate lacy crests of feathers that form a crown-like structure on top of their heads. Their striking appearance makes them highly sought after by avian enthusiasts. They are native to the lowland and swamp forests of Papua New Guinea, which is located in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. They inhabit both primary and secondary forests and are often found near water sources. Victoria crown pigeons are typically ground-dwelling birds that feed on a diet consisting primarily of fruits, seeds, and small invertebrates. They are known for their cautious and somewhat timid nature. These pigeons are monogamous and tend to mate for life. They usually lay a single egg, which both the male and female take turns incubating. The incubation period is approximately 30 days. Victoria crown pigeons are classified as near threatened on the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List of Threatened Species. They face threats from habitat loss due to logging, mining, and agriculture. Efforts are being made to protect the habitat of the Victoria crown pigeon and raise awareness about the need for conservation to ensure the survival of this beautiful and unique species. The red panda Ailurus fulgens, also known as the lesser panda or red bear cat, is a small mammal native to the eastern Himalayas and southwestern China. Despite its name and some physical similarities, the red panda is not closely related to the giant panda. It is actually the only extant species in its own family, Ailuridae, and is more closely related to raccoons and mustelids. Red pandas are small animals, measuring about 20 to 26 inches, equivalent to 50 to 65 centimeters in length, with a tail that adds another 12 to 20 inches, equivalent to 30 to 50 centimeters. They typically weigh between 6 to 12 pounds, equivalent to 0.7 to 5.4 kilograms. Red pandas are primarily found in temperate forests, with bamboo understories in the Himalayas, including parts of Nepal, India, Bhutan, and China. They are also found in nearby mountain ranges. The diet of red pandas is mainly herbivorous, consisting of bamboo shoots and leaves. However, they are opportunistic feeders and will also consume fruits, berries, acorns, insects, and small rodents. Red pandas are solitary and primarily nocturnal animals, which means they are most active at night. They are excellent climbers and spend a significant portion of their time in trees, where they forage for food and sleep in tree hollows or nests made of leaves. Red pandas are classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) due to habitat loss and fragmentation, poaching, and illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitats and address these threats. Red pandas typically give birth to 1 to 4 cubs in a nest or tree hollow. The mother is the primary caregiver, and the cubs are weaned after a few months. Young red pandas become independent at around 8 months of age. Red pandas are unique and charismatic creatures, and their conservation is essential to preserving biodiversity in their native habitats. Efforts to protect them and their environments are ongoing to ensure their survival in the wild. The clouded leopard Neophilus nebulosa is a fascinating and elusive wildcat species native to the forests and mountainous regions of Southeast Asia. Clouded leopards are named for the distinct cloud-like markings on their fur, which consists of large, irregularly shaped dark blotches on a pale background. These markings provide excellent camouflage in the dappled sunlight of their forested habitat. They have a robust body with relatively short legs and a long, bushy tail. Their head is relatively round with a short muzzle, and they have large, expressive eyes. Clouded leopards are relatively small compared to other big cats. They typically measure between 24 to 44 inches, equivalent to 60 to 112 centimeters in body length, with an additional 18 to 32 inches, equivalent to 46 to 81 centimeters for their tail. They weigh between 25 to 50 pounds, equivalent to 11 to 23 kilograms, with males being slightly larger than females. These cats are primarily found in the dense forests of Southeast Asia, including countries like Nepal, India, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, and parts of Indochina. They inhabit both lowland rainforests and montane forests, often living in hilly or mountainous terrain. Clouded leopards are solitary and crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. They are skilled climbers and are known to rest in trees, where they can easily pounce on prey or escape threats. Their diet primarily consists of small to medium-sized mammals, birds, and sometimes even larger prey like deer. Clouded leopards are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). They face threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and fragmentation, as well as poaching for their fur and body parts. Female clouded leopards typically give birth to a litter of 1 to 5 cubs after a gestation period of about 85 to 93 days. The cubs are born blind and helpless and are raised by their mother. Clouded leopards were once classified as part of the Panthera genus but have since been placed in the Neophilus genus due to distinct differences in their cranial structure and genetic makeup. Clouded leopards are remarkable and elusive creatures, and their conservation is important to maintain biodiversity in their native habitats. Efforts are being made to protect these beautiful cats and their forest homes from various threats to their survival. Animals in the wild are inspiring, and we must remember that we share this planet with an intricate web of life, each thread essential to the tapestry of existence. Thanks for watching. Like and share, subscribe to my channel.